Hi, it's Sarah here for Fusion Health, walking you through today's meditation class. Today's practice is on focus and concentration. You might have noticed that your mind can be very distracted. We have lots going on, always in our lives and in the world. And unfortunately, we get easily distracted through technology, with things that are happening, with work, with family. There's always lots to distract us. So today's practice is going to help you improve your concentration and improve your focus. Because a focused mind is a calm mind. So let's begin. Setting up your posture in a comfortable seated position. So you might need to get a couple of cushions. If you're doing this on the lounge, perhaps you can just grab the cushions off the lounge and use them to prop up your hips so that your hips are higher than your knees. Or maybe if you're sitting in bed, you can just use the pillows from the bed. So just find your position, comfortable, seated, perhaps cross-legged. If you have trouble sitting cross-legged though, you can always sit in a chair and you can have your feet placed firmly on the floor and sitting nice and tall with a straight spine as if somebody was pulling you up from the crown of your head. And then popping your hands in your lap with your right hand on top of your left and your thumbs touching. And when you're ready, you can begin to close your eyes. And let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and sighing it out through the mouth. One more time, deep breath in through the nose. Sighing it out through the mouth. Just letting any of the stresses of the day float away. Nothing else you need to do. Nowhere else you need to go. Just take one more breath in through the nose. Sighing it out through the mouth. And you'll start to notice that you feel a little bit more relaxed just from those few breaths. You might like to do a quick shoulder roll just to release shoulders and then settling back down. And bringing your awareness into your body now. Bringing the awareness into your belly. And start to notice your breathing. And start to notice the belly expanding as the breath comes in and the belly contracting as the breath goes out. And just bringing your awareness now into the body, into the belly, starting to connect now. Connecting mind and body, grounding down. Bringing all your attention into the belly. And just observing your natural, normal breath. This rising and falling of the belly that happens without you even trying. Now start to notice other parts of your body. Starting to get a felt sense of your whole body. And so maybe you're noticing your seat, your legs, your feet, and where they're contacting with the floor or the lounge. And just starting to come into your body now. Bringing the awareness out of your head and into your body. And just notice the felt sense of your whole body now. Like you're doing a quick body scan. Just roaming around very quickly with your attention, with your awareness, from head to toe, from toe to head. Just doing a quick roam around, connecting in with all the parts of your body. And once you've done this, settle your attention back on the breath. And start to notice the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. You might notice the breath at your nose. You might notice the breath as it comes in the nostrils and as it goes out of the nostrils. Continue to direct and redirect your attention now onto the breath. The rising breath as it comes in, the falling breath as it goes out. Steer your mind onto these 2 points of the breath. The rising breath as it comes in, the falling breath as it goes out. Steering your attention onto these 2 very distinct points of the breath. The rising breath as it comes in, the inhalation. The falling breath as it goes out, the exhalation. Continue to follow this normal, natural cycle that's always happening. Following the breath very closely. The rising breath as it comes in, the falling breath as it goes out. Keep steering your mind back. And just like you were driving a car, use your steering wheel to steer your mind back onto the breath. And don't worry if your mind wanders off onto thought or feeling or sensation in the body. Just notice that that's happened and bring the mind back quickly. Not lingering in the thoughts or the sensations, just bringing the mind back and focusing it on the breath. The rising breath as it comes in, the falling breath as it goes out. And in between the breaths, you might notice that there's a short gap before you take the next breath. In this gap, you'll focus on the felt sense of the body, just like you did at the beginning when you were roaming around the body with your awareness. Except this time it's just for a split second. So you now have 3 points to focus on. The rising breath as it comes in, the falling breath as it goes out, felt sense of the body in between. Rising, falling body. Follow these 3 points very closely. Rising, falling body. Keep steering the mind back. Rising, falling body. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to now by opening your eyes. And feel free to move your body now, stretching out as you need to, rolling your shoulders, moving your legs, just moving gently, very slowly. You probably notice how much more relaxed you feel now, how much more focused your mind is after today's practice. I hope you enjoyed it today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.